Okay. Hey everybody, Mark here again with another video. Today we're going to talk about ability. Ability is what you can or what you can't do. And in our book, we have a lot of different ways we can express ability. Right? So I'll start here. You could say, I'm brilliant at sports. If you say, I'm brilliant at sports, you're very, very good at sports. Right? Another thing we could say is, oh, I'm excellent at sports, very good. I'm great at sports. We also be humble, right? Be polite. Oh, I'm not bad at sports. All of these mean, right? I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good at sports. If we want to use a verb, we have to use the ing when we use this phrase. So we say, I'm great at playing baseball. I'm great at playing volleyball. Okay? For our at phrases. We can also put a word before good, right? I can say, I'm very good. I'm really good. I'm quite good at blank, right? So I can say, oh, I'm very good at math. This one's not true. I'm not good at math. I'm not very good at solving math problems. It's not my strength. But again, for these, with the at, we're going to use our ing. For these top two, right, I'm good at, I'm great at, I'm not bad at, we also have the opposite. If it's not possible for you, over here, you could say, I'm useless. I'm useless at sports, which means you're not good at sports, right? You don't want me on your team if I'm useless at sports. I could also, again, say, I'm useless at playing tennis. I'm not good at tennis at all. I'm useless, very bad at playing tennis. Another way to say that is I'm no good at, or I'm not good at blank, right? I'm not good at math. I'm not good at doing geometry, at doing algebra, right? For this, our not good at, useless at. Okay, then back to here. We can do some more phrases to show something is possible for you, something you can do. I'm able to ride a bike. I learned how to ride a bike when I was about 9 years old, 8 years old. So I've been riding a bike for a long time. I am able to ride a bike. This is very close to can, but able to we use more often when we're trying to be a little more polite. So you do, I can ride a bike. Oh, I'm able to ride a bike. It just sounds a little more polite if you need to talk to a coworker or talk to your boss. We can use be able to. Okay, another way, I know how to, right? The knowledge is there. I know how to swim. I know how to bake a cake. I know how to speak English, right? For our opposite, if you don't know how, not able to, we can go here. We could say, I have no idea how to swim. I never learned how to swim, right? No one's taught me. I'm scared of the water. I have no idea how to swim. Or up here we have, I find it impossible to. Maybe for me, I'm able to ride a bike, but for my father can't ride a bike. He finds it impossible to ride a bike. Okay. And then we go on to the bottom part. I find it easy to. Again, we have this word, easy, right? I find it easy to learn, right? I find English easy to learn. I find Japanese easy to learn. We could also change, right? This it, right? We can change to a word. I find Chinese easy to learn. What do you find easy to learn? In American English, we will often say, I think that Chinese is easy to learn. I think that blank is easy to do, right? For that one, easy for me. If you want to change this a little bit, we can also make it the opposite by changing easy to a different adjective. What's our opposite for easy? Right? We can change it to difficult if we want to make the meaning the opposite. I find English difficult to learn. Okay? That last one here, special phrase, if you say, I managed to, that was something that you could do, possible for you, but it was difficult. If you say, I managed to finish my homework, maybe I gave you 5 pages of homework. It was a very, very difficult amount of homework. You managed to finish. You thought maybe you wouldn't, but you were able to. You managed to finish something, right? If we turn to the other side, maybe you didn't finish it because, right, just like this one, I know how, I have no idea how. Here, managed to. If it was impossible for you, you could say, I don't have a clue. I don't have a clue how to make a cake, right? I don't have a clue how to cook Chinese food. I don't have a clue how to speak Korean, right? Don't have a clue means it's something that is beyond you, impossible for you. Same as this list. Okay, so I hope that helped you guys a lot. For the last point here, remember the at, we often use that ing with the verb, right? At playing, at solving, at doing. If you see the to in English, usually we finish after the to, we use an infinitive. An infinitive is the naked or simple version of a verb, right? So we say to ride. To riding? No. To rode? No. We don't change the verb, right? So all of these, to. Over here, to, right? All of these are the to followed by our infinitive. So I hope this helped you guys a lot. If you liked this video, please subscribe or click like down below. If you can, I'd like you, right? Or can you? Are you able to use one of these phrases in a comment below? If you can, please comment and one of our staff will read it and reply. So again, nice to see you guys. I'll see you in class tomorrow.